Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again. Today I'm going to make cod curry, fish curry. Here I have all the stuff that you need to make the cod curry. So that's the actual cod. That's mustard seeds. The spices, I'll do a full list. I've got fresh tomatoes, onions, and I have 2 bullet chilies. Okay, first put some oil in the pan. Okay, that's a mustard seed. Let that get cracked. Okay, we now add the cumin seed to the oil. Add your onions. Ginger and garlic. Okay, so the onions are now done. We're going to add the tomatoes. Let the tomatoes get cooked. The tomatoes are now done, and now we're going to add the spices. Give it a good mix and let the spices get cooked. Okay, so the masala is now ready, so we add the cod. Now you cover the cod with the masala, and this will get cooked in about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, when you are stirring it, make sure you do it carefully so you don't break the fish. You're gonna eat the curry with chapatis, roti. So we're making them now. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. The fish is now cooked. We're now going to add the chilies and the coriander. At this stage you can add coconut milk to it, but we are having it without the coconut milk. We're just going to add a little bit of butter. Okay, so that's a little bit of butter. You're going to spread it around. Okay, that's the fish curry all done. The fish pieces have been flipped once, so they get cooked properly on both sides. So let's try the fish curry. MashaAllah, you can see it's nicely moist and cooked. Bismillah. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. That's really nice. Thank you for watching our video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And I hope you enjoyed watching the fish curry. Till next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.